Let's make a butternut squash soup. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger butternut. Here's how I chopped and peeled and cut 4 cups of butternut squash. This is a Thai-inspired soup, so I'm using red Thai curry paste to build that flavor. I'm also using coconut milk, my butternut squash, some carrots, some onions, some ginger, and I'm using fresh cilantro. I'm using both the tops for the garnish, and I'm using the stems to cook in with the onions to build that extra flavor. Here we go. Heating some oil, getting those onions translucent, and then adding the cilantro stems. Then we toss in the carrots and the butternut squash and a little bit of sugar, and then let that cook a little bit, add the broth, and then cook for about 40 minutes until the squash and carrots are super tender so I can puree them with a stick blender. Look how smooth that is. Now I'm adding my flavor. I'm adding the red Thai curry paste, coconut milk, lime juice, salt, pepper, stir it all together, give it a taste test, and that's it. You are ready, good to go. Ladle it up. Garnish it with that fresh cilantro, maybe some roasted cashews, maybe a little hot sauce, and there you have it. Gorgeous, delicious, Thai-inspired butternut squash soup.